Hi there and welcome back to Artisan Upholstery Studio. It's me, Amy, and look, I have these dining chairs in my studio today with rounded arms. If you've ever tried to cut around round arms, you know that it can be tricky to get around the arms, to get these nice folds without any gaps and without the cuts showing. How do you do that? Well, today is your lucky day if you have round arms cut around, because I'm going to show you exactly how the pros do it. And if you've noticed recently that I've been posting more videos, well, that is thanks to you. Subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and commenting on them is the reason that I keep making more. So keep doing that and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I've added a 1/2 inch of foam over the old foam. The old foam was good, but I just wanted it to be a little bit puffier. So you're going to make sure that your vinyl or fabric is big enough to stretch over all sides. And of course, you want to do one staple, front, back, side, side, just one in the center. Pull it nice and tight. Always pull it nice and tight. And now the corners, you're going to cut on a 45-degree angle toward that post. So right to the center of that post, and then you're going to cut a little snip again and another little snip again to make these little cute cat ears. Aren't they wonderful? So again, from the center of the chair on a 45-degree angle toward that center of the post, and then a little snip, and then a little snip. So right toward the front of that post. And now, again, just to make sure that you get it, a little snip and a little snip. Bam. So smooth it all out. We don't want any wrinkles. Now trimming the fabric down is scary, but if you leave at least 3/4 of an inch, then you're going to be okay. You're going to tuck those little cat ears down into the padding and then roll your corners around. Now we're not going to staple those down just yet. We want to make sure that everything else is tucked down first. We don't want to have to pull out any of the staples on these ones. So you're going to fix the corner. Smooth it out, and then push all the extra vinyl to the side or fabric, and then put your staple in. Work your way all around the chair, and I'm going to speed this up so you don't get bored. So flip your chair over, and now you can put all the staples in. Now these chairs don't get a bottom liner, so you want these staples to be really close together. And nice and even. And now is when you can fold that over, and you're going to pull it really, really tight. Get a lot of tension on there, and then that way you won't be able to open it up. You want to staple right in the corner. That's going to hold it. If you have questions, if you have comments, if you just want to say hi, please do it right here on YouTube, where everyone will see it and everyone will benefit from the response. If you want to see all my finished furniture, go on over to my Instagram page. That's where I post all my finished projects. Thanks for watching.